Everyone, this is Madhvi and welcome to my channel Achieve Your Dream. Today I'll be discussing about how the constitution was formed and what are the steps, procedures which has been taken by the leaders of our India, and also how the British government have accepted and what are the constitutional assembly members, how they are elected, and also criticism, functions, whatnot. Let's get started. History of making of constitution. It was first proposed by M.N. Roy. After the proposal from M.N. Roy in 1935, Indian National Congress officially demanded for constitutional assembly. After 3 years in 1938, Jawaharlal Nehru on the behalf of Indian National Congress have declared that the constitutional assembly was elected on the basis of federal franchise. After 2 years in 1940, the demand has been finally accepted by the government in an offer called August Offer. In 1942, the Stafford Cripps, a member of a cabinet, came to India with a draft proposal from the government on the framing of Indian constitution which should be adopted after World War II. And Cripps' proposal has been rejected by the Muslim League as they wanted India to be divided into two constitutional assembly. However, finally the cabinet mission has been sent to India. And coming to the composition of constitution, under the cabinet mission plan, the constitutional assembly was existent on November 1946. At that time, the strength of the assembly was 389, and from the British government is 296, and which consists of 11 governors and also 4 chief commissioners, and the princely states were 93. Elections were held between July and August in 1946. After the elections, the results were like this. Indian National Congress have won 206, Muslim League have won 73 seats, and other small parties have won 15 seats. And after the election, the working was like this. Muslim League boycotted the meeting, so the meeting was conducted with 211 members. At that time, the temporary president was Dr. Sachidananda Simha, and the permanent president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was elected on 24 January 1950. The vice president at that time were H.C. Mukherjee and U.T. Krishnamacharya. Independence Act 1947. The Constitutional Assembly have become a slogan body. At that time, there are two parts, that is legislative and constitutional. Legislative, the head is M.V. Malvakar, and constitution, the head is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Coming to the functions of Independence Act 1947, the Constitutional Assembly was drafted by the Constitution, and the ratified Indian membership on Commonwealth in May 1949. They adopted national flag on July 22nd, 1947. They adopted a national song, national anthem on January 26, 1950. And the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was elected on 24 January 1950. After various committees held in the Constitutional Assembly, such as House of Committee, Rules of Procedure Committee, Drafting Committee, etc., but from all these committees, Drafting Committee plays a major role in forming of Indian Constitution. It was set up on August 29, 1947, and the task was to prepare the draft of a new Constitution. And here are the members of Drafting Committee, where Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a chairman. The facts of drafting committee. The first draft of Indian Constitution was published on February 1948. The people have taken 8 months to discuss the draft. After the discussion, suggestions and proposals and amendments, they have considered into a second draft that was prepared by the Assembly. The second draft was published on October 1948. The drafting committee met over almost total 141 days to less than 6 months to prepare a draft. The enhancement and enforcement of a constitution have taken place on November 26, 1949 and January 26, 1950 respectively. However, some parts of them have been forced to be amended on 26 November 1946 itself. But by the passing of the motion on the constitution, that should be settled on assembly. And coming to the criticism, many critics said that it has been a representative body because it is directly elected, but it is not a slogan body. It is also time consuming for it to have taken 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to form a constitution. and it was dominated by the Hindus and Congress, and also the lawyers and politicians. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe, and please do let me know if you have any queries. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.